Hi everyone and welcome back to Looks and Life. Now I'm in a bit of a different setting for this video. I'm staying at my parents' for the weekend. I've had something delivered here because I knew I wasn't going to be at home. It's just arrived and I'm really excited to show you. Now as you can tell from the title of this video and the thumbnail, it is something from Louis Vuitton. So I've been looking for this particular item for a really long time. It's very hard to get a hold of. It's always out of stock on the Louis Vuitton website. It's quite hard to get hold of pre-loved just because they don't come around that often. So I'm really excited to finally have this. This isn't the original bag or just bag, but the seller just gave this to me just so it came with something. So I'll just get right in. As I said, it is pre-loved. I bought this from one of the Facebook groups that I'm a member of. I'll link my blog post down below which tells you everything about how I go about getting my items pre-loved. So this, I've seen a lot of these that weren't in really good condition. Some of them the leather was really worn, some of them the hardware was chipped, but this one looked really good. So it came packaged up all in the bubble wrap. It had the ribbon on it, tissue paper, and here is my new Toiletry 15. It is so cute. I absolutely love it. It's exactly what I've been looking for. I basically want to move out of the current makeup bag that I'm using. I'll actually show you in a second. So this is the one I'm using currently. It's just a really worn one from Radley, London. It's got far too much stuff in there. I need to downsize, so I was looking for something a bit smaller, and that's why I came across this. So this is from 2017, so it's still relatively new. The hardware is really nice and bright still, if you can see that. The vachetta leather is really good, it's nice and bright. She did mention one thing, which is a bit of a bowing on the bottom. As you can see, it's a little bit curved, but I think that's basically where she just hasn't been using it. It's been left like this, so I feel like when I put my things in it, it should make that flatten out a little bit, and maybe I'll stand it like this. So I'll just show you the inside as well. Again, really good condition. There's no marks, no staining. It looks basically brand new, to be honest, apart from that little bit of curvature on the bottom, which I think will go. It's in really good condition. So these, I think these retail for £225 on the Louis Vuitton website. Again, they are always out of stock, so they are really hard to get hold of. I paid £170 for this, which I think is such a good saving. It's perfect. The canvas, there's no rips, no tears. It looks like it hasn't even been used at all, so I'm really happy with it, and I can't wait to start using it, putting all my things in it, and it's just going to be such a better makeup bag for me. So I'm really happy. So I think what I'll do is I'll do a separate video with what I'm going to store inside here, moving out of my current makeup bag into this one, show you what fits and how I'm going to use it. So yeah, look out for that next. But that's all I can say really. I just really love it. I'm so glad to have my hands on this. As I said, it's really hard to get a hold of. It's so cute and it's perfect new addition to my collection. So thank you very much for watching this quick unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'd love it if you could subscribe to have you back for more videos. I'm also on Instagram, which is Looks and Life UK, and I have a blog as well, which is looksandlife.co.uk. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!